Let me show you how to change and download more watch faces on your T900 Ultra to smartwatch. So if you want to cycle between different watch faces, all you have to do is simply scroll this scroll wheel, and as you can see, the watch faces will actually scroll. So if you actually want more watch face, we actually have to pair this watch to our phone. And basically on both Android and iPhone, search for this Fit Pro app basically. Okay, so and once you have it, we can launch it, and basically in this app, once you pair them, you can go to set over here, and here will be basically a link to pair both of them. Once that's done, we can click on this dial settings and let it load. Sometimes it's actually a bit slow, and we actually have all the watch faces available. If we click this arrow from the various categories, you can expand the categories. As you can see, there are actually a very huge selection from the different watch face. So if you want to simply install some watch face, we can click, and okay, so it says that you actually need to keep this open, this window, at all times while it installs. And as you can see on the watch, it displays that it's actually downloading something, and then simply wait till it finishes. Okay, and once done, the watch will actually restart itself. So, and see, you have this new watch face installed on this watch face, and yeah, you can use it. Anyway, good luck.